my people? I am very excited that we are in a new year 2021 and we are blessed to be here, guys. Let's count our blessings. We are blessed to be here, right? And I'm very excited because this year I just have so many recipes, and I'm so excited to bring them to you, which is going to be a lot of international foods and drinks and desserts, you know, that you could serve to your loved ones from your heart, right? Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right here, right here, right here, and that like button if you like what you see, and also the bell button, guys, that's gonna let you know every time I upload a new video, which is every Friday and Sunday. All right, so from my kitchen to your kitchen, where everything is done with love, guys, let's get started. Okay, guys, so we are going to make our Thai shrimp pineapple fried rice today. Okay, so let's get started. So here are our seasonings. I have here unsalted cashews. Make sure they're unsalted. I cut up 3 carrots, very tiny pieces, green onion, garlic, fresh ginger. We're going to be mashing. I like using my mortero, but you could use whatever you have. I have my chili paste here, fish sauce, horseradish sauce, soy sauce, black pepper, but usually you use white pepper, but I don't have white pepper today. Okay, I have garlic powder, onion powder, my beautiful pineapple, curry powder. I have 3 eggs. Okay, I'm making a nice amount. I have already my shrimps already peeled, and I already also cooked my parboiled rice, guys. Make sure when you cook your rice you don't put any salt in it, okay, because we are going to be adding all these other seasonings to your rice, so make sure it doesn't have any salt. Here I'm mashing my garlic and fresh ginger, the string garlic powder, soy sauce, and black pepper. Now we are going to start cutting the pineapple. We start right in the center. Guys, you want to make sure that your pineapple is between ripe and green. You don't want it too ripe. Remember, you are going to be doing fried rice, and also you're going to be using the pineapple as your bowl. Okay, so you do not want it to be mushy. And with this process, guys, take your time. Take your time to cut this pineapple. It's gonna make your presentation so beautiful, besides the rice already tasting wonderful. So here I got the sharp knife, and I'm going around. Make sure you do not go all the way to the bottom. Remember, you are using it as your bowl. So we're going to cut long ways. Okay. And then turn it and do the same process, because you want it to be able to scoop it out like in little skews, okay? So now we are going to be scooping those cubes with a spoon or whatever you have that makes it more easy. And those cubes, you could always cut them a little smaller for your fried rice. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is so good. So now here I have my wok heat up, and I'm going to be toasting my cashews. You do not walk away from this process. It takes literally less than a minute to toast these. They toast very quickly. I have my fire medium high right now. So you want to make sure you keep stirring them very quickly. As you can see, already getting that little brownish to it. And you want to do this process because it brings out the oil, the cashews, the natural oil, and it tastes so good, guys. So nice and crunchy in your rice. And that's it. These are done. So now I'm going to go ahead and scramble my eggs. You don't put any seasoning on your eggs. No seasoning. Just scramble those eggs. Okay. You just scramble them. And pretty much these are done as well. Next step, we are going to cook our shrimp. I put a little bit of oil. And for fried rice, guys, if you have sesame oil to do this part, it's even better. I usually use sesame oil, but today I'm using just a little bit of avocado oil. So again, I have my fire on medium high. The shrimp already had a little bit of soy sauce, garlic powder, and the pepper. That's it. And you want to stir them. You don't want to overcook your shrimps either. Now these are pretty much done. We're gonna remove these. So now we are adding our carrot, green onion, ginger powder. Fresh ginger and garlic. Our fish sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, curry powder, and our pineapple. And guys, for each ingredient, I use 1 to 2 tablespoons. As you stir fry this rice and you add your rice, you'll be able to taste it. And at this moment, you decide which seasoning you want to add more of. Okay? You could always add seasoning, but you cannot take away seasoning. So you want to do this process gradually, and you adjust it to the taste that you want. Okay, again, the rice does not have any salt because the fish sauce and the soy sauce already has its own salt. So you definitely want to make sure that you start gradually, 1 to 2 tablespoons. And guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is so good. You will be impressing some folks this year. Especially now for this the holiday coming around, which is Valentine's Day. This is a beautiful presentation, guys, with some white wine. I'm telling you, this will be a nice presentation, nice dinner for Valentine's Day. Just because, everything that's going on in the world right now, we can't be going out too much to places. You still can have a beautiful time at home, guys. Feel like you travel somewhere. So today we travel to Thai. And trust me, you're going to love this recipe. Also, I have made this recipe with roasted pecans, which is also really, really good. Okay, so here we added back the shrimp and the scrambled eggs. Look at how beautiful, guys, and I tell you, it smells so good. So this rice is pretty much done. So we're gonna let it cook for a couple more minutes. And pretty much is done, guys. I appreciate you coming to my channel. Make sure you hit that like button, guys, and subscribe, guys. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. Like I already mentioned, I will be bringing you a lot of international recipes, including desserts, drinks, food, Okay, so let's have fun together all year long. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look at those colors. All right. So now you just played it in that beautiful pineapple bowl you created. Look how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.